Hey guys, welcome back. So I promised you all an update on the power brake booster that I installed on the Datsun. So here we go. Oh, let me lift the access panel here. So this is the power brake booster that I got from Z-Car Depot. The installation was fairly straightforward. This is the model they have for the 70 to 73 240Zs. The mounting pattern is different on later Zs, and this one is supposed to line up perfectly so you can just bolt it right in place. I did have to enlarge in 2 of the mounting holes so this would fit. The biggest challenge I had was adjusting in here. There's a little rod that you have to dial in and out to adjust the pedal pressure location. That was such a finicky little pain in the butt. I had to unbolt this and pull the master cylinder off probably a dozen times. Pull it off, adjust it by about a half a turn here, put it back in, and then it would be too much and I had to take it back off again and then dial it back. It was going back and forth between riding the brakes and the pedal hitting the floor before the brakes were engaged. I finally fiddled around with it enough to hit the brakes about where I expect them to hit. The vacuum hose mounts in a little bit different location than the stock, the original OEM power booster, but I didn't modify this. I don't remember modifying it. I may have cut it down some, but as you can see, it just mounts in nice right there, still clips in a little bit different of a position, but it fits nice, pretty clean. Power brake booster probably took me maybe 45 minutes to get it installed and mounted. Like I said, I had to enlarge in a couple of the mounting holes on the firewall. Once I got those done, installation was pretty easy. Bolted up to the firewall, hooked it up to the pedal inside, and then spent probably 2.5 hours adjusting that little adjuster rod to get it just right. And that is about it for the power booster. I will leave a link down below to the Z-Car Depot page where I bought that power booster. And I hope this helps. Have a good one. Bye.